So we've arrived here. That over there apparently is a test mine. They've got planning permission to go into production for all sorts of things from copper, zinc, silver and even gold. But over here is the remains of the largest copper mine in the world. And we're going to have a quick look round. There is a car park, but it has height barriers. 2.3. There's a very large lay-by over on the side where we can leave good stuff. There's all sorts of walks you can do around it. We're just going to do a very brief walk. Let's go and see. On Google it says about purple sands and purple rock, and I'm thinking, do you get purple rock? And there it is. And over there, it's really interesting. The different colours. Yeah, some people are zooming around with their walking sticks, getting to the tops of the paths. I think we've gone off the path somehow, following that lady. Oh, but if you go up there, you can see the mill the other side. Good morning.
Good morning.
You're going so fast, you're making us feel really lazy.
I should try it. Hello.
These different colours of these. Yeah, if we go around and back onto the path. It's a real sort of moonscape. Apparently it's been used for films because of this moonscape sort of look. The different colours.
Yeah.
It's like silver, brown, purple.
Is the brown the gold? Oh, not far away.
No. So we've arrived here, which is a salt factory on Anglesey. We've managed to squeeze into the car park, a little bit tight. And the outdoor area there is a lovely cafe, which we've just been in with the dog, but the dogs can't go inside. She's just having a quick walk, and we've booked onto a tour. There is only one time at the moment, which is 11:30, but I guess they'll have other time slots normally. And the cost was £9.50 each to go around the tour. It's an unusual thing, a salt factory, so we thought it was worth paying the £9.50 to go around and have a look.
And you put salt and pepper in them, so you just do that. Alright.
What's that? So what do we think of the salt?
Absolutely
tour?
brilliant.
Very, very good
Excellent tour.
And it was £9.50, but you get this a salt tin to take
Yes.
away, and that's £2 in the shop, so really it's
Yes.
£7.50.
And
Very
you
good
get-
tour.
I've learnt quite a bit.
And they reckon it's the purest salt you can buy in the world, and all the top chefs like Gordon Ramsay buy their salt from here. Barack Obama orders some salt specially. The Royals have been here. Highly recommended to come here. It's really good, wasn't it? Yeah, look at the snow.
Turn left, then turn right.
And that's just
So this is where they go on down here.
I presume it goes down
Yeah.
there. This is nice, isn't
You don't think get past him?
No. I can't, I'm not going to get through there. No. Where's he going? This way he's going now. We've arrived here, National Trust place, dedicated motorhome parking as soon as you come in, which is excellent. That's what we want to see. Loads and loads of space, and usually for National Trust you don't pay for parking. Sit. Maybe not. Oh.
He's too distracted.
Yeah. So lovely ladies in reception. What a stunning view as you walk through. The snow down in the background. These trees here were planted in 1916.
Sprocket, can you look up there?
That's the old stable block, and apparently this used to be a cricket pitch. House and garden, a veg playground, frisbee golf and arboretum.
Yeah, down to
Oh, there's the house. Stunning scenery. And I don't know if you can see the snow on the tops. It's like a motorhome toilet. And a toilet looking out on the main high streets. I think my study's slightly tidier than that. And I nearly missed this. The Octagon room, where they play games, satin red.
New relief here is the
one wall is flat. The pillars there are flat on the wall there. So this is a lovely place to walk around. Lots and lots of walks around the estate. The house is absolutely huge and interesting to look around. We of course have to take it in turns because you can't take the dog inside, but then we treated ourselves to an ice cream when we were both out. And now we've come down to the front to the Menai Strait. So it's a beautiful day. Eating ice cream in February. Didn't think I'd be doing that, but it's actually been really hot when the sun shines. Spotted any sea life?
No, it's seaweed,
You
Chris.
think it's seaweed?
I'm pretty sure it's seaweed.
We're debating what these things were
Seaweed.
floating down. It looked like animals. It does look like
No, it
animals,
looks like seaweed.
but it could be seaweed. Around swimming pool. Doesn't look like it's been used recently.
I like the way the benches are on the grass. So it encourages you to...
It's not a keep off the grass place, is
No.
it? I've not seen one of those signs at all.
Road's closed. You're stuck.
It's where he's going.
Leading to Welsh Aire.
We've arrived somewhere we can actually pronounce. This is Giddy Aunts CL. Giddy Aunts is a caravan and motorhome club CL on Anglesey, and it just has 3 pitches, but they're fully serviced, including a nice table, electric and water. It's got a small toilet. As you'll probably see on the video, it's up a very narrow lane, but there's no problems, and if you did meet something, there's plenty of places that you could back and turn in, etc. For some reason Sprocket wanted to go for another walk, so we've just come up the lane. I think this is the way perhaps we should have come in. It's a much larger part of the lane, but the other bit is doable, as you probably saw. Even though it said it was closed, the delivery man said he was going to the same campsite and it was open yesterday, so we followed him, and it's only got the signs up and there's nothing there, so maybe it's going to close tomorrow or next week. But the stunning views, we're just up from the campsite, and the views of Snowdonia with the snow on the top, which we've been seeing from all these different places. The campsite itself, absolutely beautiful, fully serviced with the water, electric, Elson, a little toilet which is very, I'm not going to video the toilet, not into doing that, but it is lovely the way that it's been done. And it's £24 and £1 for the dog. So £25 all in with electric. In this stunning location, I think it's well worth it. That's nice fridge magnets. Bits and pieces to do. Local walking maps. And a book exchange. How nice. Maybe that's why Sprocket was barking earlier. Nice gravelled surface. Rachel's just making sure the lane is clear as I reverse into the lane. I think we had the awkward pitch. It was not easy to reverse out of. It's an awkward pitch. There is a turning place there, but it's not really suitable for us on the end. So, right, we're going to video the way out, because if you've got a caravan, this might be the better way of coming in rather than going along by the seafront. Although it's very pretty if you've got a motorhome. I wouldn't do it in a motorhome greater than 7.5 metres, or with a caravan. But this is meant to be an easier way out. We'll see.